Greetings. Today I'm going to show you some video um, about the docking station and other uh, UFOs around the sun. And I just want to show this is coming from the NASA.gov website, weather website, and it's the Stereo A Cobra 2 satellite, I guess. And there's the time and the date. So here's that docking station or space station or whatever you want to call it. It's back again, or sometimes it vanishes, or I guess cloaks and disappears, and sometimes you'll see it over here on this side. But anyway, it's as of this month, it's still there. And this is from the satellite from NASA feed, I guess. And this white circle is the sun. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to point out some anomalies or UFOs, ships, throughout this video. And as you can see over here, here's some that appear, they decloak, and then they cloak again, where they appear, then they disappear real fast. And here's a bigger ship that comes across here, and it's by the size of that, it's huge. It's bigger than the planet. So anyway, I'll point out as I go, and I'll backtrack and get a better view. So I'll play this video. See, here's something right here that appeared already, and you play it again or go forward. That was another one back here. There was something right there, something here, and something here came up. Might have been something here I missed. As you can see, something is coming this direction towards the sun, or in front of the sun. There was something that appeared right there. Let me back up. Yeah, something here and something here. So let me go forward again. There was something just up here. Let me back up. Right there, something appeared and just decloaked and cloaked again. Something appeared right here. Go back up, and so you can see. So there's some more things showing up right there. Something appeared right here. Let me back up a little bit. See these things? They appeared and just disappeared. And there's this big plume of energy or whatever. And I think there's when it comes out towards this way, there's you kind of see some like a round object coming out of this, coming out of the sun. You kind of see a round object right there. And back up a little bit, and you see something right here. So I'm just pointing these out as I go. There was something up here. Let me back up. There it is. Oh, shoot. I slowed the speed down. You can change the speeds on the satellite on the feed, and so you can make it go a whole lot faster. But anyway, I just want to show you this object, which it's what is it? It's a good question. Is it a ship? Is it a planet? I don't think it's a planet. I think it's a ship. But anyway, I just wanted to point this out, that some people are saying, "Well, it's fake. It's fake. It's fake." Well, this is coming straight from the NASA satellite, so I just want to point that out. And let me enlarge this. On my other video, there's some better pictures of this in one of my other videos, and so let me back up. Anyway, I'll let it play back. You can observe for yourself and pick out different objects. There was something that showed up here. Something I think briefly showed there. Also, I want to point out that the items on here, these craft or ships, you know, if they're this close to the sun, why aren't they destroyed? If the sun is so hot, why are these objects so close to the sun? And I have another video that you might want to look at. I'll put a link in the description, and to the reason that these ships do not burn up so close to the sun, or these objects, if you want to call them that. So I'll leave a link in the description that why these objects do not burn up in space near the sun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it.